Good day, guys. How are we doing today? I hope all is well with us. We thank God for another day. My name is Sunday Gain, and I welcome you to today's episode. My YouTube channel is Harvey Forex. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the one to first get the notification. Like my videos, you share it to your friends. Who knows? They might be interested in diving into learning how to trade Forex. Forex is simple. Don't believe people that want to complicate the process of learning Forex. It's very simple and straightforward. Forex is all about exchange of currency. It's very, very simple. So when I open this channel, I promise us that I'm going to make everything simple for us, walk us through the process, and before we know it, we can now stand on our own and trade the financial market. And what does that mean? It means that we have just created a source of income, add to our normal job, our traditional job that we do, you know. That being said, today I'm going to walk us through on how Forex is traded. How Forex is traded. Forex is traded in specific. How Forex is traded. Forex is traded in specific amounts called lots. Basically, the number of currency units you will buy or sell is called lots. A lot is a unit measuring a transaction amount. A lot is a unit measuring a transaction amount. When you place orders on your trading platform, orders are placed in sizes quoted in lots. Like a crate of egg, for example. When you buy eggs, you usually buy a crate, right? One crate is about 36 pieces, if I'm not mistaken, 36 pieces of eggs. That's what makes up a crate, if I'm not mistaken. But you get what I'm trying to say. So that is how lot is all about. Just like a crate of egg, and inside that crate we have 36 pieces. So that is how it is. And then the standard size for a lot is 100,000 units of currency. That is standard because we have different sizes. Now the standard size of for a lot is 100,000 units of currency. And now there are also mini size, micro size, and nano lot sizes that are the 10,000, the 1,000, and the 10,000 units. As you may already know, the change in a currency value in relative to another is measured in pips, which is a very small percentage of a unit of currency's value. Now, PIP is an acronym for price interest point. A PIP is the smallest whole unit price that move that an exchange rate can make on a forex market condition. Now, I will explain further as we move further, because a PIP is just like, how will I use it an example? Just like your clock. What before we have the hour, the minute, and the seconds, right? Now the seconds hand is just like what changes the value is the last digit. Well, that is what changes the value of a currency. Once that one move to 10, then the previous number will move. If it increases, the previous number will increase. But if it decreases, the previous number will decrease. So that is how it is. Now, to further explain it, you see forex lot sizes. I created this table for us to understand the in-depth of what we call lot, because this is what we are going to be doing as we progress in our trading journey. Because for us to trade, we need to know our financial capability, the kind of the lot size that we are going to be using. Now, people who has money can trade this 100,000. When I mean 100,000, this 100,000, now you might be wondering, hey, $100,000, 100,000 euro, or where will somebody get that 100,000 euro? Or the mini size, where will somebody get 10,000 dollar? Where will somebody get $1,000? Where will somebody, in case of nano, where will somebody get $100? No, it does not work that way. That is why we have what we call leverage. When we get to that leverage, because it's a topic on its own, when we get to that, I will explain to you. You don't need to have this $100,000, for example, if your country is, if you are using dollar, you don't need to have this $100,000 for you to have a standard lot size. No, you have to, for you to have a standard lot size, this one, what you need to drop is 10%. Then your broker will drop the remaining amount. So that is just it. That is how leverage work, and that is where your broker comes in. Now, for you to have this mini lot, this is 10,000 units, you just need to drop 10% of this. Then your broker will complete the remaining percent. Then you have, in the financial market, you have this 10,000 units in your account. You will have it. All you need to drop is just 10,000 and 10%. You drop just 10% and you have this 10,000. For you to have 100,000 worth of account, you just need to drop 10%. You pay it into your own account, not anybody's account, in your own account. Then your broker will pay in the rest, and to complete it. So that is how it is for you to take possession of this. No worry. Get once we get to that level of leverage, I will teach it for us to understand. So lots, we have the lots, the number of units. You have the standard, and when you have a standard, that means 100,000. That means in the market, financial market, you have in your own account $100,000, euro, or whatever. In mini size lot, we have 10,000. In macro size, we have 1,000. In nano size, we have 100. So it depends on, and this even 100, all you need to drop is just 10% for you to have this $100 or 100 euro, as the case may be. It's just 10% that you need to drop. For example, if you drop $10, you have $100 worth of your account. All you need to do is just pay $10. Let me use my own country currency because I'm just getting confused a little bit. For example, if I am to own a nano account, the lot size, all I need to drop, pay into my own account that I created is just 10 euro for me to have. If I pay 10 euro, then my broker will credit my account with 90 euro, making up 100 euro for you to take position of this. Here, this 1,000, you just need to pay 100 euro into your account. Your broker will credit your own account with 900 euro for you to take position of this 1,000 units. You understand? So this one now, all you need to have is just 1,000 for you to have this. This one is just for you to have 10,000 for you to have 100,000. So 50, just like that, you get the picture. So that is where your broker comes in. Your broker, any size you want to trade, it is you that will decide, okay, I want to own this, or I want to own this one, or this one. If you are going for this, you just need to drop 10% of this one. You just tell your broker, you open the account. So all this is not as if you just start communicating. Once you open an account, they know, because you are going to select the type of account you want to open. Once you select this 10,000 size, there's a lot size. All you need to do is you pay 10% of this, they will pay the remaining 90% to complete it for you. You know, so they give you money, they give you money to trade. That is how it works. They just take what we call a percentage. When as you make profit, they take their own percentage. So that is just how it is, and it's very, very minimal because they have plenty people that they give money to trade. So it's just like that. To recap, we have forex lot sizes. We have the standard, which is 100,000. We have the mini, which is 10,000. We have the micro, which is 1,000. We have the nano, which is 100 euro, which is 100. So it depends on what you want. So you can imagine if you have to go for nano, all you need to drop for you to have 100 euro here is just 10 euro. For you to have a 1,000 worth of account, all you need to drop here is just 100. So that is how it works. This one, for you to have this, all you need to drop is 1,000 euro for you to have 10,000 worth of account. So that is just it. That is the reason why we have brokers. Now, important currency symbols you must master. The important currency symbols you must master. We have the euro. The euro is EUR. because all these abbreviations is what you'll be seeing. These are the symbols of currencies, all this one. So we have the euro. EUR is the euro. Then we have the USD, the United States dollar. You have the JBP, which is the British pound, Great British pound. How you call it is just British pound, JBP. This is what you will see in currency quotes. CHF is the Swiss franc. CAD, that is the card, is the Canadian dollar. NZD, New Zealand dollar. AUD, Australia dollar. JPY, Japanese yen. I tell you, these are the most current, the successful trader trade only with the most common and liquid 7 currencies. Just like, for example, the USD, the Euro USD, GBP USD. This is how you quote it. This is how you pair currencies. Here you have the Euro USD. Here you have the GBP USD. You have the USD JPY. You have the USD CHF, NZD USD, AUD USD, USD CAD. Because these are the most liquid currency pairs you should be trading with. Because all these are most traded currency. Currency exchange rates are quoted in 4 decimal places. Like, for example, EUR/USD. This is Euro USD is equals 1.3607. This is just just a teaching. You know, if you want to know the actual exchange rate, you just go on the net and check the actual. This is just for training purposes. Now, the Euro USD, for example, is 1.3607. Right? Note the last number, which is 7, referred to as pip. This is what we call pips. This one now is now at 7, means price interest rate. That is the pip, the meaning of pip, price interest rate. Now here, this 7, once you get to 8, 9, instead of it to count 10, this 0 will change to 1. Do you understand? This 0 will change to 1. This one will continue again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By the time it gets to 10, this zero that changed to 1 will now be 2. So as it's going up, you are making profit. But if it's counting down, that means this one now will now be changed. Instead of this 0 to change, this will now change to 5. You understand? So it's like that. And that is what you are going to pay attention to. Pay attention to this value, because this is value that normally changes. Differences between base and quote currency. Important point we need to note is that the first currency quote is referred to as the base currency, while the other currency quotes after the forward slash in the currency pair referred to as the quote currency. Example, this is the Euro USD, right? The Euro USD. Now you see the Euro here is the base currency. After this slash, we have the USD. USD now is the quote currency. Now, base currency, you see, the important point we need to note is that the first currency, this first currency, Euro, quote is referred to as the base currency. This Euro is referred to as the base currency, why this USD is referred to as the quote currency. In this case, the euro is the base currency, while the USD is the quote currency. The base currency always have a value of 1. In this case, 1 euro is equivalent same to 1.3607 USD. At that point, it's just at that point in time, it's just for teaching purpose. Practical example, if you want to buy 1 euro, example, you would have to pay 1.3607 USD. Like now, you want to buy euro, you want to buy euro, you know, the amount you are going to pay is 1.3607 USD. In the other hand, if you want to sell euro, you will have to sell and receive in dollar. So that is how it works. When you pair any currency with Japanese yen, the decimal point changes to what? 2. It changes to 2 decimal places. Example, 1 pip, that's 1 value, is equal to 0.01. Now, decimal point, this 0.01. USD slash JPY, USD Japanese yen is equal to 98.75. You can see 2 decimal places. But if it is Euro USD, it's in 1 decimal places. You understand? So decimal point is after this one, you have point, then there is no anywhere you see point again. So that is 1 decimal point. This one now, this in Euro, Euro USD, you have 1. It must have 1 before and 1 after. When you write 1, then that is 1.3607 USD. But in case of USD JPY, 96.75 JPY, it does not have 1, you know, means that 1 USD is equivalent to 98.75 yen. So that is how it is, guys. You know, like I told us, I will just be giving it to us for us to follow through. Because if you push out everything at a time, most people, because of our busy schedule, most people will get tired of it, you know. We have so many people that they don't have that, you know, the ability to stay for a very long time to study. So it is advisable to always, you know, bring it out bit by bit. So if you have to watch a video 20-30 minutes is okay, you know, it's not bad. 20-30 minutes is not bad, it's not too much for you to watch a video and, you know, get a note, do a revision. When we get to a level that you create, I will walk us through how we are going to create a demo account, then we'll start practicing. But with time being, you just need to learn the basics. You don't just jump into it and start trading. No, it doesn't work like that. Because before you start building, you must lay a foundation, and that is what we are doing. I'm walking us through the process step by step, you know. So on this note, I will say thank you, and don't forget to subscribe if you know, need a one-on-one coaching. You send me an email. You have my email there. Send me an email. then you just tell me that you need one-on-one coaching, then I will schedule. I will hold your hand and run you through, give you the tools that you need to navigate the forex market. It's very simple, easy, and it's fun. It does not have any overload. It's just you and your system, and you just place your trade, do your analysis, place your trade, and let the system do the rest for you. So that is how forex, works. From the beginning part is usually a little stressful because you have to spend a little time to read charts and patterns. But by the time you get conversant, you know what you are doing. By the time you advance, you get to a level where as you open your chart, you already know what is going on. You know if it is trending or if the market is bullish, bearish, if it's ranging, those things. You just read the structure and know exactly what the market is doing at that particular time. And you must have already, developed your own strategy that you are going to be using to trade the forex market. So all you need to do is just wait. After your analysis, you wait for your pattern to form. As soon as your pattern forms, you just place your entry, place your order, put your stop loss, your target, and you just shut down your system, and that's all. By the time you hit your profit target, it will give you a signal. You will just know from your phone, like that. You just know from your phone that you've hit your target point. Make your small money and put it in your pocket. So it's like that, guys. I thank you guys for watching. Subscribing to my phone, for your subscription to my YouTube channel, for your sharing, your likes, your comments. God will bless you all, and see you again the next episode. Thank you.